y'all, welcome back to my channel. I'm Morgan Monet. Today's video is a birthday unboxing because your girl is officially 26 years old. Yay! Well, at least by the time you're watching this video, I will definitely be 26 years old. But you guys, I am super pumped for this unboxing. I mean, we have items from Tiffany Co. We have items from Louis Vuitton. We have my dream handbag that I've been obsessing about this entire year from Chloe. I'm so excited. But I do want to stop and say two things. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, you definitely should hit the red button below. I love luxury accessories, makeup, and skincare. And number two, please watch this video to the end. I am doing a giveaway. Not only am I turning 26 years old, but this is definitely the 1 year anniversary of me being on YouTube. And there are 3 giveaways or 3 prizes that I'm giving away, and you'll find more about it at the end of the video. But it's just a way for me to say thank you. But all right, let's get into this video. Okay, you guys, so first on the unboxing list, we have L'Occitane. I'm so excited. I don't know if you guys are familiar with this brand because I recently just came across them, but L'Occitane is a French company that produces hand creams, which they're really well known for, hand soaps or body soaps that are finely milled, and fragrances, as well as like chapsticks and other little items as well. So I ended up purchasing some goodies. Show you guys what they are. So one of these items, do y'all see? It's like this little house, and on the front it says L'Occitane in Provence. I am not French. I'm probably pronouncing these names incorrectly, but let's unbox this first little house. It's a little tight. Okay, and so what came in this guy is their signature or well-known hand cream, which has shea butter in it. And when I tried it on in the store, it was super duper moisturizing. And you guys, I hate ashy hands and cracked skin, so I loved being able to try this item out and knowing that it's one of their best selling items. And then I also got the matching or coordinating body soap, which has verbena in it, which is perfect for cleaning the skin and moisturizing the skin and softening the skin. So I'm really excited about this little duo goodie. And I think that this box is literally adorable. So wait, but there's more. I also got their Terre de Lumine fragrance, which you guys, it is to die for. I opened up the box off camera, but I wanted to show you guys the bottle. I mean, it is gorgeous. I also looked up some of the notes or the scents that are found in this fragrance, and the top note is bergamot, the heart note is peony, and the base note is honey. And you guys, it is just, it's a beautiful smell. I really do love this scent, and I love the bottle. And because I loved this scent so much, I also went and bought the travel size of the fragrance, just so that I would be able to travel with it and still be able to use it. We have 2 goodies from Louis Vuitton, and I am gonna start with the smallest item. I can't even lie to you guys, I've already been using it because when it came in the mail, I was obsessed. But I'm gonna stop talking, here it is. Here it is, you guys. This is my Louis Vuitton Victorine wallet in the monogram canvas. And as you can see, I already have my debit cards and ID in it. But this is an up close. I don't know if it's gonna focus. I'm hoping so. But on the button, it says Louis Vuitton. and then you flip it open, and you on this button as well it says Louis Vuitton, and you have a front little zipper pocket which can actually hold coins. Let's see if I can show you guys. So it holds change, and it's basically this compact wallet where you can fit your bills up here, and you have 3 card slots on both sides, and then you have a slot right here for cards, and a slot right here, and a slot right here for cards as well. But you guys, I have been obsessed with this guy just because it's so small and compact, and it's so very different than any of the 2 other Louis Vuitton wallets that I have. But I just think it's so cute and I love it. I really do love it. And it also holds a fairly decent amount of cards. And then I also got the toiletry pouch in the 26 centimeter size. You guys, I am so excited to carry this toiletry pouch as well. The little tab, it says Louis Vuitton, made in France. And then up at the top, it's like a little zipper. So you zip it open, and on the inside you can still see the tissue paper, but it's lined. These next 2 items are from my boyfriend, and you guys, he definitely did a theme. So these flowers say Tiffany Company, and they match whatever he got me in this cute little bag. So first things first, I'm gonna open up these flowers just because I think they are beautiful. Oh my goodness. Oh, look at this. It's so cute. And it literally says Tiffany Company. Oh my gosh. I love roses. Oh, and they're pink. He did a good job. This little trinket. Let's see. Let me just stop to say that I love the way Tiffany Company boxes or packages their items. I mean, this is just gorgeous. I don't even want to like unbox it because it's so pretty, but here we go. We see the bag, right? Let's go. Oh my gosh, you guys. So this is the Return to Tiffany charm bracelet, and I don't know if you guys can see this on the back, but he got it monogrammed to say M and D. This is so beautiful. Can y'all see the monogram? I'm gonna cry. I'm really gonna cry. And now for the moment we've all been waiting for. I know, I'm dramatic. My Chloe bags. Here we go. I'm undoing the strings. Seeing something? You seeing a little something? It's coming. Here it is, you guys. This is my Chloe Marcie bag in the medium size. Oh, I love this bag. I have nothing like it in my closet, and I don't even think the camera is doing it justice. Shout out to Nordstrom because they have increased their assortment over these past couple of years, and that's where I was able to purchase this handbag. Then you have the strap, which will make it a crossbody bag, and I'm so excited. I'm gonna carry this guy for probably about 2 to 3 weeks, and then I'll definitely do a first impressions video on this guy. But I am obsessed. It's my first Chloe bag, and I just feel like it screams upscale, sophistication, grown woman, Morgan Monet. Okay, you guys, so that's the end of my handbag unboxing. I'm gonna switch gears to talk about the giveaway. So I am giving away 3 items, and it's really a way of me saying thank you. I just recently hit over 275 subscribers on my channel, and my birthday happens to be my YouTube anniversary. So I am celebrating 1 whole year on YouTube, and just with you guys being with me, I wanted to do something that said thank you. The first item is this Gucci inspired pouch. I've talked about this in some of my previous videos, but I love it. I love the color. It comes with a pull tassel. It has the bumblebee on the front, and it also comes with like a D ring where you can like hook it to your bag. And what's also cool is that it comes with like card slots in the back. So this will be one of the items given away to a lucky winner. One lucky person will receive these beautiful rose gold earrings and a matching rose gold cuff. And then we also have this beautiful set of rose gold brushes. The set includes 12 full-size brushes, and just to show you, the stem of the brush is a mermaid tail, and again it's the color rose gold, and then the bristles are a pink color with white tips. I have used this brand of brushes before, and it works really well on your makeup. Those are fairly simple. Please again read down below for more details, but basically you just have to subscribe to my YouTube channel. You have to give this video a big thumbs up, and you have to answer a question which has 2 parts. Part number 1, what are you thankful for? Second thing is, which item from my unboxing did you like the most? Again, read down below for all of the details. All right, you guys, so that's the end of this video. If you enjoyed doing this or watching this, doing this with me, please give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to check the description box below on the giveaway rules, and I will see you guys in my next video.